You may be wondering what's happening here. I do often wonder about that myself. So what I've got is I've got these kind of vintage pedals. They're just really cool. Like they've got this, like they're just plastic, they're really worn out. They've got this cool pattern on them. I've already turned the reflectors on the inside because it looks better that way. But what I want to do is I want to run straps with these. So then I kind of pulled one apart, which is this guy here. So that's the the left-hand side, that's the drive side. My first thought was maybe I could do something like this. So I could have like little loop things at each one of the four corners and then run the straps through them. And then I basically decided that, nah, that's too hard. So what I'm actually going to do, or at least try, so I'm just gonna drill or punch some holes into the strap itself, and then run the strap in the gap between the pedal and the pedal outer, whatever that is called, like the metal bracket, and then the pedal bit itself. So see how we go. Not 100% sure of the exact spot here, but we'll try. Maybe just above that fold. Yeah, definitely not the neatest punch. Try again. Like all I gotta do is get this bolt through it, which it does, so that's fine. Yep. Okay, let's see if this makes any sense now. So we're just gonna do one side first, just as a trial. So here's my setup, like so, and then yeah, it could work. Okay, just gonna figure out this other side next. See if that does anything. Put the bolt back. It may be too thick, but you never know. Here we go. So the next question is, I'm just going to try it without the spindle, but can we get the cap back on? We can, but only just. So to do it like this, I think what I'm gonna have to do is I have to actually shorten these guys a very tiny little bit. So I'm just gonna cut off, let's see if we can do this. Trying to keep the parts in order so you can remember how they go back on. Yeah, this is actually nice and soft a little bit. Honestly, this to me looks like it's some recycled rubbish, probably. There we go. To the other side. Same deal. So now, hopefully, we've got enough space to fit in the strap with the same length bolt. These bolts are really funny. They are rectangular, except for the ends. There we go, and then see if that guy goes on any easier. Yes, it does. And now we've got more of the bolt end showing, so should be good. Just gotta do this other one. That should be it. It's a bit tight. That's alright. I'll get it. I'm sure. That's it. Coming through. How's that? Okay. Then I'll pop the axle back in. Make sure that the strap's not kind of under the edge. There we go. Should be pretty good. We want the text the correct way around. What does it say? THE, THB, possibly. Yep, so that's down. Right, and then just put these on. It's not a massive amount of grab here, it's just because I think these pedals might be a bit wider than normal, so this is just a cheapo eBay, Amazon, generic type of strap. Okay, so left hand side with a strap, right hand side original. That actually worked out better than I thought. Like, obviously one of the things you gotta consider if you do it this way is that's not quite as tight as that one. That's fine, it's only cosmetic. Functionally, I reckon it'll work just fine, so there we go. Okay, that's it. All done. What do you think?